Let's see this problem. A spiral matrix given an M into N matrix, return all elements of the matrix in a spiral order. So here this matrix has been given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First row is 1, 2, 3, second row is 4, 5, 6, third row is 7, 8, 9. So according to this arrow, we have to move 1, 2, 3, first row, then last column 6, 9, then last row 8, 7, then previous row 4, 5. Okay. In second example, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 8, 12, 11, 10, 9, 5, 6, 7. Like this, its movement should be 5, 6, and arrow is the direction. Accordingly, we have to print the output. That means its output should be like this: 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, and 5. Okay, in this spiral format. So, what will be our approach to solve this one? Like, see, if we start from first row, so here row initially we will start with 0, okay, and column we will start with -1, because we are still here, okay, our position is here, okay, and movement I will take one step I have to move. So from row 0, this will be execute for number of columns. We will find out number of rows and number of columns, okay. So rows and columns number we will find out for matrix. Let's consider x by, okay, x is number of rows and y is number of columns. So in first, say, until when this matrix we will go, if there are rows or if there are columns, if any one becomes 0, that means we will subtract the value of rows and columns in the code. So in C, first row there are 3 columns. So for first row it will execute 3 times. So in the our result, this will go like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this has gone here till here. So I will decrease then the number of rows, because initially there were 3 rows. Now there is only 2 rows. So accordingly for next loop we will decrease the number of rows. Now till 3 we have gone. Okay. So our movement is 1. This movement we will take left to right +1 and top to bottom also +1. But if we go right to left, then this we will take -1, and from bottom to top we will take -1. Why? Because see, left to right, this column will increase, top to bottom row number will also be increased. But if we go right from left, then column number will be decreased, and if we go from bottom to top, then rows number will also be decreased. So in that case we will have to subtract its move by -1. So first row has been done, then we will go for column. See, at first here we will have gone for all the columns, then we will subtract the number of rows, then we will go for number of rows. Then here, see, column is 3, row is here 2. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 also gone, remaining 2. Now column will be 2, 8, 7. Now row will be 1. For this row only, there is only this row, no? Only one row, so 4. Then see, this R1 and this is C1. again 5. So this will be our list: 1 2 3 6 9 8 7 4 5. Like this it will move. As I already have explained, just see its code. What I will do, I will at first find out total number of rows and columns. Rows and columns. So total number of rows will be length of this matrix, and column will be length of first row matrix any row. Okay, I will take row and column value with 0 and -1, because for first row I will take row value 0 and column value -1 because I have not traversed any element. I will return results, so I will take result list, and movement I will initialize by 1. Okay, so until there are rows and columns, so while rows is greater than 0 and columns is greater than 0, I will traverse inside this matrix. So for first row I will traverse all columns, so I will start from columns. So for underscore in range columns, our column will be increased, column plus equal to move. See, from left to right we are moving, so move will be 1. It will increase. Column number initially was -1, so first element, so 0, and this element I will append inside result dot append matrix row column. Row is here initially 0, column is now 0. Next again it will go, columns is 3, there are 3 columns. I have calculated length of columns, so 3 times it will go, so it will append 1 2 and 3 all inside this result list. Okay, so this for loop will terminate. Next I will decrease the number of total columns by 1. Why -1? Because I have already traversed first row by traversing all columns of this first row. So rows will be initially rows, total number of rows were 3, now will be 2 only. Next I will traverse in row. See, first row all elements column by I have traversed. Next I have come on the last column, because column value is here 2 0 1 2, and I will traverse all the elements of last column row wise. Okay, so for here, for all rows wise, here row will move, row plus equal to move. Move will be here also 1, because move will increase, the rows number will increase from top to bottom. So initially this was 0, this row will be 1, this row will be 2, so this will be appended inside this result dot append matrix row column. Now here columns will be decreased by 1, because see, we have appended 6 by, there is row number 1, column number 2, 9, row number 2, column number 2, but rows has gone only 2 times. Okay, fine. And columns we have decreased, total number of columns we have decreased by 1, because last this row already traversed, this column already traversed, so again whatever will be number of rows, we don't need to traverse this last column, so total number of columns will be decreased by once. Like we have traversed first row, then no need to traverse this row again, so we have decreased total number of rows by -1. Okay, here I will update move by its opposite sign, by multiplying with minus 1. If 1, then it will be minus 1. If minus 1, then it will be 1. Because see, after coming on last row, we have to move from right to left. So for moving right to left, its column number will be decreased. This is second column, this is first column, this is zeroth column. So columns will be 2. In that case, it will move 2 times, and its column value will be, initially column is 2, so it will be column plus minus 1, it will be 1. So 8 will be rows I have already traversed. Rows had come 2, 2 times this is moved, so row is 2, so 8 7 will be there. Next it will go row value, we will update again, it will be 1, 2 minus 1, and it will go inside this for loop again for 4 5. So it will go 1 times, so 4. Okay, so 4 will be appended, and this 5, this will move. I just take inside this, sorry, what else? I take whatever it has traversed. In first row it has traversed 1 2 and 3. Okay, and this one has traversed 6 comma 9 in rows. Okay, again this one in next loop, this has traversed after 9 8 7. I just take this traversal by underscore. Okay, I will fill up rows traversal here. It has taken 8 comma 7. Okay, column traversal. Then it has goes for row traversal. After 6 9 there is something. So for rows it has goes for 1, and again after this it will go for 1 column, so it will take 5. So see here, after 1 2 3, here 6 and 9 will come, 6 comma 9, and after 8 7 4 will come, so it will be like this: 1 2 3 6 9 8 7 4 5. Okay, I have merged here. So this condition will be satisfied while rows is greater than 0 and columns is greater than 0. So if anything is 0, then this while loop will terminate. Okay, so finally rows will be also 0, and columns we have gone 3 times, so column will be also 0. Okay, so they will return this result. Hope this is fine. Just run. Okay, accepted. Submit. Submitted. Thank you.